Well, boy, you're out of place and you're very neat. Boy! Oh my god, look. Oh, look what I'm doing. Oh, what you gonna do about that? Oh, look what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing. What you gonna do about this? What you gonna do about that? Oh, you're just gonna lay down on it? Oh, you ain't gonna pick it up or anything, I see. Look at this! I'm picking up your pillow. Oh, what you gonna do about it? Oh, look at that. Look at that. What did I do? You are so neat. I never had a neat puppy. Look, can pick that up? He's so neat. That's all you did today, isn't it? That's all you did today. That's what you do for a living. Oh, are you putting it in your dog house? So cool. It's upside down. Ow, stop biting them too. What are you doing? I can't come with ya. I can't come with you. I can't go with you. My sock can, but I won't. Alright. Ah, let it go! Watch this, watch this, watch this. Alright. This is his water dish. That's his food dish over there. Oh, look! I threw it. I threw it away. Too bad. He picks everything up. Look at your cup. Look at your cup. You gonna pick that up? Alright, that's Oreo right there. And he's like a little Dalmatian.